Neck and back straight, elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed as we celebrate our breath and start with observing our breath. So, eyes gently closed, palms in Dhyana Mudra, palm over palm, left palm on top for women, right palm on top for men. Smile on the face. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Observe the cold air entering your body. And through the trachea, entering your lungs, every cell in your lung, gas exchange happening. Observe the air moving through your body, through the blood, energizing every cell in your body, collecting all the toxins back to the heart, into the lungs for exhalation. Every inhalation energizes the body. Every exhalation relaxes the body. Inhale the cold air. Observe the energizing of every cell in your circulatory system. Observe the same blood carrying it back to the lungs for the toxins to be thrown out. Exhale and relax. Inhale the divine. Exhale the ahankara. Soham. Saha enters. Aham leaves the body. Every breath. Celebrate the divine throughout the ego with every inhalation and exhalation. Ajapa Gayatri. And as you continue with your inhalation and exhalation, I'll chant the pranayama shloka. Om Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam Tridive Yat Pratishtitam Mateva Putran Rakshasva Shrischa Prajnam Cha Videhi Om Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Continue with eyes closed. Rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. And when you're ready, let's start with Mukhadhauti, throwing out of toxins. This is done with inhalation, exhalation through the mouth with a ha sound. So let's take a deep breath in and breathe out with a ha sound. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Exhale with a ha sound. Relax the body completely. Those who are excessively tired, bend forward and exhale through your mouth. Right from the bottom of the abdomen, all the toxins get thrown out. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Exhale through your mouth with a ha sound. And relax. Let's move on to double breathing. Short inhale and long inhale, followed by tensing up the body. Then short exhale through the mouth and a long exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. This is called double breathing. And when you inhale, smell the flowers, and as you exhale, blow the candles away. A party time now. So let's take a short and long inhale. And as you hold, tighten your feet, tighten your toes, tighten your ankle, tighten your calf, your knee, your thighs, your hips, your genitals, your waist, your lower abdomen, your upper abdomen. Squeeze it, tighten, fingers, wrist, hand, elbow, arms, shoulder, chest, tighten, neck, face, squeeze your face, compress, tighten, tighten, tighten. Gently relax with a short exhale through the mouth. Ha, ha, long exhale. One more round. Short inhale, long inhale, tensing the body. Short exhale, long exhale through the mouth. Let's do together. Inhale short, inhale long. Tighten your toes, tighten your feet, tighten your ankle, tighten your calf, tighten your knees, tighten your thighs, tighten your genitals, tighten your hip, tighten your lower abdomen, tighten your upper abdomen, your fingers, wrist, elbow, hand, shoulders, chest, shrink your neck, compress your face, tighten, tighten, tighten. Exhale through the mouth, short and long. Ha, ha. And relax the entire body. Observe your breath, observe your face, observe your mind. Every cell in your body squeezed and relaxed. Let the relaxation happen as you observe yourself from head to toe, toe to head. Now, let's start with opening up our lungs 360 degrees, the neuromuscular breathing. First, we'll start with the right side of the lung. So hold your right ear with your left hand. Press your left elbow to the left chest. Look forward. Smile on the face. You're going to expand your right lung. So inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling. Exhale some more. Exhale some more. Exhale completely. Second round. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Exhale some more. Exhale some more. Exhale completely, shrinking your right lung. Gently relax with normal breathing. Let's repeat on the other side. Hold your left ear with your right hand. Use your left elbow to press, left hand to press the right elbow into the right lung, so the left lung can blossom. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully, hold, observe the left lung expanded, hold, hold, hold. Start exhaling, exhale some more, exhale some more, exhale completely, shrinking your left lung. Second round, inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully, hold, 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 hold. Start exhaling, exhale some more, exhale some more, exhale completely. Left lung is completely contracted. Relax with normal breathing. For the third round, crisscross your hands, opposite ears, you're pulling it down. Smile on the face. Looking forward, pressing the lungs down. We're going to expand the lungs at the back. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale, exhale some more, exhale some more, exhale completely. For the second round, crisscross opposite hands. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale, exhale some more, exhale some more, exhale completely. Shrinking the lungs at the back. Relax your body, relax your breath. Observe the impact on the lungs. Now let's do 360-degree breathing. Palms on the side of the head, middle finger touching as middle finger tips are touching at the back as you are going to work with the lung space. So let's have the elbows opened out, palms on the side of the head, middle fingertips touching at the back for 360-degree breathing. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4, exhale, exhale some more, exhale some more, exhale completely. Second round, inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully, observe the lung expanded. Hold 2, 3, 4, exhale, exhale some more, exhale some more, exhale completely. Relax with normal breathing. 360-degree breath, lungs fully expanded, lungs fully contracted, part by part, the right, the left, at the back, and the whole sum. Now, before we start our pranayama, let's quickly balance the nostrils. Let's observe your right nostril, observe your left nostril, whichever is less dominant, we will release it to normal breathing. Okay, so close your right and observe the nostril, left nostril only. Now close the left and observe the right nostril. One will be dominant than the other. Whichever you feel is blocked, opposite armpit, place your palm and hold tight there for some time. For 2-3 breaths, you will see the block releasing naturally. Being the cold season, even if you catch a cold and you have severe blocking of nose, you can insert your palms under both the arms to release the blocks if both the nostrils are blocked. So let's open up both the nostrils together, crisscross your hand, palms under your armpit, creating a pressure, the thumbs to the sky, pointing towards the sky. Hold it tight here. Hold the palms, bring the hands together to tighten at the armpit. Feel the impact. The marma points there are activated, stimulated. 3 breaths and relax. Both nostrils are balanced now. If you're sitting on the ground and if it is possible, please do this in Vajrasana. Even more effective as your Vajranadi gets activated there. Okay. Now, let us move on to Anapanasati Pranayama. Okay. So, Anapanasati, Ana is in breath, Apana is out breath, Sati means existing in your breath. So, you are celebrating your breath, you're observing your breath. The first pranayama taught by Buddha. This is also practiced by in the Kriya Yoga as one of the first steps into understanding the self, the mind, and the body. Neck and back straight, elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed, both the hands in Gyan Mudra, index fingertip touching the thumb tip. Very gently, other fingers are straight and joined together, open to the sky on your respective thighs. Let's sit together, normally, breathing. For Anapanasati Pranayama, your tongue goes to the roof of your mouth, the palate. Hold it there. Normal breathing. Now gently open your eyes to only 90%. 10%, 90% closed, 10% open. The nose tip is visible to you. Stay there. Inhale, exhale. Tongue continues on the roof of the mouth. Inhale, exhale. Cerebral energies are activated. Inhale, exhale. Now, inhale, look at your eyebrow center, Agnya Chakra. Exhale, nose tip. Inhale, Agnya Chakra. Exhale, Prajna Chakra, nose tip. Inhale, Agnya Chakra, eyebrow center. Exhale, Prajna Chakra, nose tip. Inhale, exhale, and gently close your eyes. Continue breathing. Observe your breath. Observe your mind. And when you're ready, rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. Next, we will do cooling pranayama. For cooling pranayama, both hands in Gyan Mudra, or you can hold Pankaja Mudra, again a cooling mudra. Heat is balanced, water is balanced. Your tongue is in a straw shape, so release the tongue. Make a straw and extend it outside your mouth and start sucking air. Here you're going to suck air through the mouth, exhale through the nose. So start sucking air through your mouth, through the tongue in a straw format. Hold as much as possible. Hold inside. Hold. Celebrate the cooling effect. Exhale through the nose. Second round. Hold, hold, hold. Exhale through the nose. And relax. Continue with Pankaja Mudra. Second, Shiktakari Pranayama. Roll your tongue. Surface awareness here. And suck in air through the mouth. Hold as much as possible. Feel the cooling effect in the body. Exhale through the nose. Let's do together. Second round. The third round is Sadanta, 3D awareness here. Align your teeth, upper line and lower line, one above the other. Seat them there. And inhale through the teeth, exhale through the nose. So let's do it together. Hold as much as possible, feeling the cooling effect inside the body. Okay, let's do it together. Second round, teeth on teeth. And when you're ready, relax. Now we'll start with our daily practice of pranayama. Hands in, left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. We will do Bhasrika Pranayam, forceful inhalation, forceful exhalation in 4 stages. Okay. So first we will unblock unblock the Chandra Nadi using forceful inhalation, forceful exhalation on the left nostril to a count of 10. So let's start together. Left nostril. Relax with normal breathing. Now let's start with the right nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger. Forceful inhalation, forceful exhalation from the right nostrils. Let's start together. And relax with normal breathing. Now let's repeat on alternative nostrils. Forceful inhalation, forceful exhalation. 10 counts there. Inhale forcefully from left, exhale forcefully from right. Inhale forcefully from right, exhale forcefully from left. This is one round. Okay, 10 rounds like this, all of them forcefully done. So let's do together. Start. Five done. And relax with normal breathing. Both nostrils cleared. Now both hands in Gyan Mudra. Forceful inhalation, forceful exhalation, both nostrils together. 10 counts here. Let's start together. Relax with normal breathing. Next, we'll move on to Kapalbhati. As we have been doing for a week now, we should be able to do 60 counts at one stroke. So left hand in Gyan Mudra, index finger tip touching to thumb tip, or Akasha Mudra, middle finger tip touching to thumb tip. Okay, whichever is convenient, both hands, same combination. Okay, we are working with the mind space, the neurons, the any block in the head region, the brains. So you're going to inhale passively, exhale forcefully. Kapalbhati is passive inhalation, forceful exhalation. It works with your Sushumna Nadi, cleansing not only the Sushumna Nadi, also the chest region, the face becomes shining, your Kapala, the skull becomes shining. So whenever you are exhaling, the abdomen gets pulsated. So there's a small pulsation in your abdomen. Your navel gets pulled to the spine. And then there's a spurt of energy going all the way to the top, shining your skull. Okay. So let's start together. 60 counts without a break. Those who need a break, you can take at 20 or at 30 as your body permits. Listen to your body. Do not stress yourself. For others, 2 rounds of 60 we'll be doing today. Okay, normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. For Kapalbhati, take a deep breath in. Breathe in some more. Breathe in some more. Breathe in fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start pulsing. Forceful exhalation. Relax with normal breathing. Eyes continue to be closed. 60 counts done. 1 pulse, 1 second. There's a lot of time in a second. So go gently with your abdomen. Observe this part of energy to the head region. Let's start the second round of 60. Normal breathing. Inhale, exhale. For Kapalbhati, inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start Kapalbhati. Relax with normal breathing. Observe the impact of forceful exhalation on your abdomen, in your chest region, in your facial region, most importantly, in your head region. Observe the tingling sensation Observe the nerve impulses there. Connect with that awareness. Stay there as it normalizes on its own. Keep smiling. Your breath in your control. Completely surrendering to your own breath. Celebrating your breath. And when you're ready, rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. Next, we'll be doing Bahya Pranayam, our favorite. For Bahya Pranayam, we're going to do Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh, and Jalandhar Bandh, the anal lock, the navel lock, and the chin lock, all the three together. So we're going to do the Mahabandh after exhaling completely. Those with heart problems and high BP, avoid this. And as the instructions go, you please continue with normal breathing. Others can join me. Hands in Dhyana Mudra, palm over palm, thumb tips touching for balancing the heat in the body. Left palm on top for women, right palm on top for men. For Bahya Pranayam, complete surrendering, complete connecting with your Anahata Chakra, as all the other chakras are locked outside the body. Normal breathing, breathe in, breathe out. For Bahya, inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more. Observe your abdomen expanding, chest expanding, shoulder region, clavicular region expanding, Griva Shwasa expanding. Inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling. Exhale some more. Abdomen shrinking, contracting. Anal lock, Mool Bandh. Exhale some more. Navel lock. Exhale completely. Chin lock. Stay there as much as possible. And when you can't hold, come back to normal breathing. Release all the bandhas and back to normal breathing. Hold as much as possible. Observe the impact of the starved cells, celebrating the gush of inhaled breath. Every cell is rejoicing with the newfound breath. Second round. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Abdomen, chest, and clavicular region fully expanded. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling. Exhale some more, contracting your abdomen. Exhale some more. Anal lock. Exhale some more. Navel lock. Exhale some more. Chest contracting. Exhale completely. Neck muscles contracting. Chin lock. All three locks stay there as much as possible. Chant your favorite mantra. Chant your favorite shloka. And when you can't hold any longer, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Observe the impact of Bahya Pranayam. Crown of your head, back of your head, every cell in the face, the chest, abdomen region, and all your limbs, the tingling sensation, the nerve impulses, stimulated again after being stressed. As you observe every aspect in your body, normal breathing happens. When you're ready, rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. Now let's move on to Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi Pranayam is done in 3 stages. Hands on hip, hands on at the below the armpit, at the chest level, hands above the shoulder, right palm on right shoulder blade, left palm on left shoulder blade, elbows to the sky. At every stage, we're going to do Ujjayi Pranayam, 2 rounds. Observe your breath. Ujjayi is victory breath. Ujjayi Pranayam, you want to do it with a snoring sound or a gurgling sound in your throat region, a hissing sound. So let's start. Hands on your hips for abdominal Ujjayi breathing. Neck and back straight, elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed, eyes gently closed. Normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out for Ujjayi. Inhale with Ujjayi. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ujjayi, contracting your abdomen. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold outside 2. Second round. Inhale with Ujjayi. 2, 3, 4. Expanded abdomen. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ujjayi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold outside 2. Relax with normal breathing. Observe your abdomen. Observe the impact of Ujjayi. Second level. At the chest. Chest expands and neck chest contracts. Normal breathing here. For Ujjayi, inhale with Ujjayi, expanding your chest. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ujjayi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Contracted chest. Hold outside 2. Second round, inhale with Ujjayi. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ujjayi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold outside 2. Relax with normal breathing. Third stage. Hands above. Right palm on right shoulder. Left palm on left shoulder. Elbows to the sky. Normal breathing. For Ujjayi, inhale with Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make the hissing sound. Hold outside 2. Second round, inhale with Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ujjayi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold outside 2. Relax with normal breathing. Observe your breath. Observe your abdomen. Observe your chest. Most important, observe your clavicular region, Griva Shwasa. Observe your neck, observe your shoulder blades, relax them even more. With Bahya, we activated our Anahata Chakra. With Ujjayi, the Vishuddhi Chakra. Let's move on to Anulom Vilom. The nadis having been cleansed with Bhastrika Kapalbhati, Anahata Chakra opened with Bahya, Ujjayi opened up our Vishuddhi Chakra. Now let's work on the Agnya Chakra. Balancing of both the nadis at the Agnya Chakra with the energy flowing freely. Left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Pranayam Mudra. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is alternate nostril breathing. So close your right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left. Deep and long. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. completely. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Relax with normal breathing. You can go for another 4-5 counts of Anulom Vilom Pranayam when you're doing on your own. An excellent pranayama. It works as a paracetamol if it is done continuously for 24 minutes. Balances the heat in the body and reduces your fever. Now let's do Nadi Shodhana Pranayam, similar to Anulom Vilom with holding involved. We'll do in the ratio 1:1:1:1. Inhale, hold inside, exhale, hold outside. And then we'll move on to 1:4:2:1 ratio. Okay, let's start together. Inhale through the left. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale from the right. 2, 3, 4. Hold outside. 2, 3, 4. Inhale from the right. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale from the left. 2, 3, 4. Hold outside. 2, 3, 4. Second round. Inhale from left. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale from right. 2, 3, 4. Hold outside. 2, 3, 4. Inhale from right. 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale from left. 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely. Hold outside. 2, 3, 4. Relax with normal breathing. Now we'll move on to 1:4:1 ratio. Inhale from left. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale from right. 2. Hold outside. 1. Inhale from right. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale from left. 2. Hold outside. Now inhale from left with Omkara. Om. Hold. Om. 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 Exhale from right. Om. Hold outside. Om. Inhale from right. Om. Hold. Om. 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 Exhale from left. Om. Om. Hold outside. Om. 2 inhale, 8 hold, 4 exhale, 2 hold. Let's start with Omkara. Inhale from left. Om. 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 Exhale from right. Om. 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 Hold outside. Om. Inhale from right. Om. Hold. Om. 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 Exhale from left. Om. 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 Hold outside. Om. Relax with normal breathing. Continue with eyes closed. Observe the breath. Observe the impact of Omkara in every cell in your body. Observe the nadis being balanced. Nothing to do, nothing to think. Just being with your own self, with your own breath, in the now. And when you're ready, rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. We'll move on to Bhramari Pranayam with Shanmukhi Mudra. Thumbs on your ears. Two fingers, index finger, middle finger on either side of your nose bridge, covering your eyes. Do not touch your eyes. And then ring finger on either side of the nose base. Little finger opened out. Shanmukhi Mudra. Activating your Vidur Marma, Fana Marma, and Stapani on the nose bridge. So let's start together. Bhramari is inhale, exhale with a Hrinkara sound, high pitched Hrinkara sound, completely charging up all your neurons. So let's start together. Shanmukhi Mudra. Listen to the instructions. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with a high pitched Hrinkara. Relax. Second round. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with a high pitched Hrinkara. Stay there with normal breath. And when you're ready, rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. Relax with normal breathing. Hands in chin mudra for Udgit Pranayam, chanting of Akara, Ukara, Makara, and followed by silence. 4 stages. Inhale, exhale with Akara, first stage. With Chin Mudra. Inhale, exhale with Ukara, second stage. With Ukara. Inhale, exhale in your clavicular region with Makara. And the final stage, all 3 together, Akara, Ukara, Makara, shrinking your navel, shrinking your chest, and shrinking your clavicular region as you exhale. Chin Mudra for Akara, Chinmaya Mudra for Ukara, Adi Mudra for Makara, Brahma Mudra for Auma chanting, and then finally Namaskara Mudra for Omkara. So, Akara, Chin Mudra, abdominal diaphragmatic breathing, Ukara, chest breathing, Chinmaya Mudra, Adi Mudra for clavicular breathing, Griva Shwasa, neck breathing, then Brahma Mudra in the center of your lap, knuckles facing the sky, joined together. 2 Adi Mudras come together for Brahma Mudra. We'll chant Uma, shrinking our navel, abdominal region, chest region, neck region, and silence for the aura. And then we will move on to Namaskara Mudra for Omkara, aligning our aura, aligning ourselves to the cosmic rhythm, inviting the divine within, followed by a guided meditation. Let's start together. Chin Mudra for Akara, neck and back straight, elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed, normal breathing here. For Akara, inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully, diaphragm pushed down, abdomen pushed out. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Akara, shrinking your abdomen. Second round. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling, shrinking your abdomen with Akara sound. Ah. Relax with normal breathing. Chinmaya Mudra for chest breathing. Neck and back straight, elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Smile on the face. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully, chest expanded. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Ukara. Om. Chest contracted, vagus nerve activated, normal breathing. For second round, inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully, chest expanded, hold 2, 3, 4. Chant Ukara and exhale. Om. Chest contracted, intercostal muscles in full play. Normal breathing. Continue with eyes closed. Hands in Adi Mudra. Smile on the face. Griva Shwasa. Working with the clavicular muscles. And chanting Makara as you exhale. So inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Observe your head region. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Makara. Second round, inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling with Makara. Relax with normal breathing. Hands in Brahma Mudra, Adi Mudra, side by side, knuckles to the sky. Brahma Mudra placed on your lap, center of your thighs. Normal breathing here. We're going to chant Ma, followed by silence on exhalation. Follow the instructions. Inhale, inhale some more, inhale some more, inhale fully. Abdomen, chest, and clavicular region expanded. Full impact on the body. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling with the breath. Exhaling breath. Chant Akara, Ukara, Makara. Contracting all the three. Aum. Deep silence there. Second round, let's start. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Start exhaling with Akara, Ukara, Makara. Aum. In complete silence, every cell in the body is charged. Every cell in the body is rejuvenated. Every cell becoming the universe by itself, aligned with the cosmic rhythm. When you're ready, move on to Namaskara Mudra to chant Omkara, palm on palm, thumb on thumb, finger on finger. The entire left and the right side aligned, balanced. Breathe in and breathe out. For Omkara, take a deep breath in. Breathe in some more. Breathe in some more. Breathe in fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Omkara. Om. Second round. Inhale. Inhale some more. Inhale some more. Inhale fully. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale with Omkara. Om. Observe the impact of the Omkara on yourself. Hands in Gyan Mudra or Dhyana Mudra. As you gently go into the meditation phase, observe the expanding of the Akasha Tattva in every cell in your body. The Shabda resonating in every cell. Celebrate the Vayu Tattva. The Agni Tattva, Jala Tattva, Prithvi Tattva, the Pancha Mahabhutas in every cell in your body. Also responsible for the making of this Prapancha. In this Prapancha, observe the cosmic light descending from above. A vast expanse of light coming down towards you, flooding you, bathing you in that light. Observe that light entering your aura. Observe that light entering your body from your crown of the head. Head is shining. Observe the light entering the face region, shining up your face, through the neck, reaching out to your hands, fingers, from the neck, flooding your chest, abdomen, entire back, flowing further down into the genitals, the left and the right legs, all the way to your toes. Inhale that light, exhale that light. Inhale and observe the light. Hold and heal yourself. Exhale and relax with that light. Any darkness in the body, any disease in the body, any imbalance in the body, all relaxed, rejuvenated, healed, and shining through. Inhale from your Muladhara all the way to the crown chakra. Exhale from the crown chakra through your feet and your palms. Observe the light passing through all the pathways in your body. Observe the healing spreading within you. Observe the light shining through, enhancing your aura, healing your family, healing your neighborhood, healing your country, back to the universe, healing the universe. The complete circle. You are part of that circle. Celebrate this energy, celebrate this light, celebrate this healing. As I conclude the session with the shloka of Purnatvam. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadyuchyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om. ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ. When you're ready, rub your palms, cup your face, apply the energy all over your body. Again, rub your palms, cup your face, open your eyes into your palm. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you, one and all.